Welcome to the Deluxe Makeup Studio, inspirations for color cosmetics. We are going to show you step by step how to create a classic glowing appearance with Deluxe. Today with the makeup artist Carsten from Germany, who is presenting the classic smoky eyes look in an entirely new and modern interpretation.
A smooth complexion is the basis for this look. Each step is shown in the foundation video. The makeup look smoky eyes can be worn in different color variations. Today, I use modern blue shades. First, I apply the eye and lip base very thinly and evenly to the eyelids. This makes the eyeshadow last longer. Now I take the metallic eyeliner, color Velvet Violet No. 2, and draw a line on the upper and lower lash line. Then I use the Artistic Quattro eyeshadow, color Sublime Marine No. 12 for the smoky eyes look. With the LR by Da Vinci eyeliner brush and the light blue eyeshadow shade, I simply redraw the violet line of the eyeliner with the eyeshadow color. This creates a wonderful color reflection on the lash line. Then I apply the light rose color with the eyeshadow brush directly below the eyebrows. I accentuate the inner third of the eyelid with the stone grey eyeshadow color. To enhance the impression of the movable eyelid, I apply the light blue color to the center of the lid. With the dark blue color, I intensify the outer eyelid up to the eyelid crease. Then I blend all three colors together and work the dark blue color into the eyelid crease from the outside to the inside. For the especially dramatic lash look, I use the Lash Booster, both for the upper and lower lashes. Only then do I apply the fantastic mascara starting at the lash roots. The best results are obtained using a powerful zigzag movement. If you want more, apply the mascara a second time. Now I shape the eyebrows and accentuate with color by applying the Perfect Brow Styler, color Bright Liquid No. 1, in the direction of hair growth. Then I use Brilliant Lip Gloss, color Pink Brilliance No. 2, and apply it with the applicator to the lips. Lastly, I accentuate with Perfect Powder Blush, color Petal Peach No. 2, using the LR by Da Vinci Rouge brush. I blend the two blushes together and apply them to the cheekbones. As a highlighter, I use the exclusive limited edition illumination powder from Deluxe, the perfect product for festive events. I apply the product above the cheekbones, to the collarbones, to the lip heart, and to the nasal bridge. This adds specific highlights to the face that create more glow and elegance. The modern interpretation of the classic smoky eyes look is now finished.
Modern smoky eyes, just like the classic look. Breathtaking, dramatic, sexy, and the absolute eye-catcher in terms of color. The dominating blue colors give the eyes a special shine and capture every glance. More inspirations and looks by internationally leading stylists in the Deluxe Makeup Studio can be found in the next video on the LR YouTube channel.